welcome back to Femica. I hope you all are doing well. I know it can be overwhelming when we see so many products on the market and then we have to pick and choose one or two and that should solve all our problems. But in between all of these, we are really forgetting our old school rituals and skincare techniques. So today I am going to show you exactly that. This homemade mask is extremely effective and all of these ingredients are currently sitting in your kitchen. I am extremely sure about it. And if you want to see mind-blowing results of this, use it for 7 days and then come back to this video and let me know the miracle that you're seeing on your skin. But before that, I have to let you know and I have to tell you that do not forget to do an allergy test or a patch test right here or here. Somewhere a patch test is extremely important. Even though they are organic and home stuff, you still can have allergies if you are allergic to any of these products. So just keep that in mind. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and also comment down below. By doing so, you stand a chance to win a free beauty hamper, of course from Femica. Now we can get started. We know our grandmothers have been singing praises of gram flour or besan for years and years, and there is a reason for that, and if you honestly find it and if you find the reason, you will literally not spend your money on chemical filled face masks. It also exfoliates the skin gently, which I really love because sometimes because of my acne going on, I cannot really exfoliate with a physical exfoliator. It helps reducing pigmentation, dark spots that you can see all over my face, and I actually regret not using it like long time before when I was trying all these chemical rich non-organic products, you know. Also, Besan works for all skin types, so you know everybody fits to this category. Now a second ingredient that is another gem, a hero if we can call it, that is coffee. If you haven't applied coffee on your face ever, you're gonna love it. Coffee is actually a cellulite reductor. Did you know that? It has a calming effect on the skin. It has amazing anti-aging benefits. It definitely reduces inflammation, and that is one of the top things that you can use coffee for. A lot of people use coffee patches under eyes because again, great for inflammation. Also, it works wonders for acne treatment. So here we go. It reduces dark circles, as I was saying, so you know under eyes coffee is really great. Now these two were definitely for my acne and all of that because I have acne prone skin, and also the earlier two, and also Besan and coffee is great for oily skin people. Now coming to the fact that I have dry skin, how do I hydrate my face? Then I use honey. Honey is a deeply moisturizing and hydrating agent. It also diminishes the signs of pigmentation on the skin. So again, you see my main motive of this mask is definitely to reduce the spots and pigmentation and acne and bring up the brightness, but naturally. Honey is also a very good effective pore cleanser, so that also works great. And you know, if your pores are clean, then you won't get acne. Then there is a high chance that you won't get acne. And of course, honey fights, you know, acne and breakouts, and also it is again a very good effective ingredient in your mask if you have sunburns. Now let's talk about the last one, that is dahi. Dahi is actually a lactic acid. It is the natural source of a lactic acid that you can add in your mask and put it on your face. It helps the skin to shed the old dead skin and helps to form new and healthy skin. Also, dahi or curd is again a very moisturizing agent when added to a mask or your hair actually. Curd also has anti-aging properties to it and also acts as an anti-pigmentation agent when added to any skincare stuff. So I think I have explained enough. Now let's take this mask and apply it to the skin. It smells so good, I wanna eat it. It definitely looks like some frappe or dalgona coffee for that matter. Am I not right? This is so good. Also, you can make a big batch and keep it for the fridge and use it for 2 days. I'm just gonna mix it once more. Pro tip, do not use it cold, because when a cold thing touches the surface, our pores immediately are closed. So what will happen is this will not get into your skin. So even if you're keeping this in the fridge, make sure that you're taking it out and letting it come to the room temperature before using it. So let's just start. So how I like to use it, and this way is I think more effective, is I will first apply it to those places where I have spots in a thin layer, and I will actually massage it in my skin. I will rub it in so that it gets into the skin. So I do it mainly on these spots and then I move on to the entire face. And just because I have 2 moisturizing agents, that is honey and curd, I can put it under my eyes also, but in a very thin layer because I don't want it to go dry and crack. And the fact that it has coffee, it is perfect for under eyes. Around the mouth, basically any place that you have pigmentation or spots, you will rub in circular motion, whatever motion you want honestly, and yeah, just put some effort and some time. So after I'm done applying and massaging a thin layer of it all over my face, now I will go ahead and take a thick layer like this and apply it all over my face. Now this time I'm not going to go under my eyes because, as I said, I don't want my under eyes to get too dried. My entire face is done. I would usually apply it to my neck, but just because I'm filming, I won't. I will let it completely dry and then I will wash it off. So guys, I just washed my face and I came back. There's a little bit of water in here. So you can see I have not applied any moisturizer or anything on my face right now, and you can see the glow. Like, that is instant. These things will take a little time to go away, obviously, but you can see the glow. You can see that it's so much cleaner and clearer. I am telling you, this mask is a magic. So yeah, with that we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Do check out all the products that are mentioned in the description box. You can also join our community if you want to be a part of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness, and you can do so by clicking on the links that are either mentioned on your screen or in the description box. So I'm signing off today with this beautiful, gorgeous homemade recipe.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.